cereal bowl.
Cereal in a bowl. Good job. Is that what you had for breakfast? Emmy, did you sleep good? Good girl.
I'm going to play kitchen.
Okay, you can go play in your kitchen.
Mama, I'm going to play kitchen.
Okay, I'll come and play with you in a second, but I'm going to make my coffee first, okay? Making my morning coffee, and I'm gonna try this new creamer that I showed you guys yesterday. I've seen this recommended like by a ton of people, and I usually use milk and honey, but I thought I would switch it up and try this out. So let's see how it goes. It's actually really, really good. I have not had creamer in a while though, so it tastes, it's gonna take a little bit of getting used to, but it tastes really good. Okay, I'll help you with your toys. Can I talk to my friends real quick? You wanna come down here and talk to our friends with us? Come here.
I'm helping the toys.
Would you like your friends to help you with the toys?
Okay.
Okay. Can you say good morning?
Come on then, my space.
Oh, you're so sweet.
I'm helping
So
the
good morning,
toys.
everybody. Andrew let me sleep in a little bit today, which was really nice. So he got up with Emmy. Do you know what we're gonna do today?
Go to the park.
We're not gonna go to the park. We're gonna go somewhere fun though. Where are we gonna go?
Go shopping.
No, not shopping. Remember we talked about it last night. We're gonna go to the...
Oh,
There's sand there. We're gonna play with our shovel and our bucket. Do you know where we're gonna go yet?
go to shopping and then I'll go to the beach.
We're gonna go to the beach. You wanna go to the beach?
Okay.
Okay, can Mom have a kiss on her cheek? Thank you, I love you. Yep, so that's the plan for the day. We're gonna go to the beach just for a little bit, and then
I'm helping the toys.
Andrew has to work tonight, so
I'm helping the toys.
it's gonna be me and this big old belly
Helping the
and Emmy.
toys. Wow, that's hungry.
You like sunscreen?
Oh, look, it's a duck. It's a duck.
Mm-hmm.
No, it's a turtle, baby.
It's shovel.
Did we make it to the beach?
He went to the beach.
We did. We made it to the beach.
Okay,
We put Emmy in her swim diaper because she's been doing really good about holding it for a long time. So we figured she was safe. She was not safe. And her swim diaper is not waterproof. It's more of just like a poop catcher. So I pulled her out of the car seat. She's soaked, and then she was sitting on, I don't know if you can see it. She was sitting on my leg, and now I'm soaked. So we're gonna go throw her in the water right now. Okay, let's go. You ready?
Okay.
All right. tried to throw sand on people. It was great fun for all. But I am so pregnant. And anything I do just absolutely zaps the energy out of me. I feel on the verge of tears. I'm just so tired. And I hate to like complain about it because I'm so grateful to be pregnant, but the first part of pregnancy is so exciting. And then by the end of it, you were just so over it and so done and so ready to be done. I can't sit, I can't stand or walk or do anything comfortably anymore. So I am very ready for this baby boy to come. He can come any day and I'd be happy about that. Emmy is really tired. It's 12:30, so we're taking her home right now for a nap, I think. Are we just going straight home? Yep, I'm gonna go straight home. Yeah, we had a great time at the beach. It was nice and warm out. Not a ton of people because it's the off season, so very fun. Emerson's lunch is a cut up piece of string cheese, some ham, and then some peas. And then she has been drinking these juices from Honest. We just got a big pack of them from Costco. And they honestly don't have very much juice in them at all. It's mostly watered down, so I don't really mind her drinking them and she likes them. But we just had a bath, we're all clean. She's gonna eat her lunch and then go down for a nap. For my lunch, I'm starting out with just some celery and peanut butter on it. This is crunchy peanut butter. So I'm gonna start out with this, and then I think I'm gonna make myself a smoothie. So I'll show you guys that after I make it. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Yuck! What are you talking about? That's delicious. Well, this is pretty cool. We got a new blender. It's a Ninja blender. It's got a touch screen on it. This could like blend rocks, I'm pretty sure. It's really, really cool. So I'm really excited to use this like more often to make some smoothies. Andrew wants to make milkshakes in it. I came outside so I could film this little clip. Emmy's inside right now. She did not take a nap and I am a hot mess. I just cried off all of my makeup and I'm really, really struggling. I'm gonna try not to cry through this. Gosh, I don't even know where to start. I just am feeling really discouraged. As you guys know, I am 36 and a half weeks pregnant, and Andrew just left for work and Emmy decided not to take a nap today of all days, and I had scheduled my day around her nap. We went to the beach so that we could get her tired so that she would take a good long nap when her dad left for work, and then I would get all of the work done that I have to get done, and I have a lot of work to get done. And of course the one day, not the one day, but the day her dad's not home and the day I have all this stuff I need to get done is the day that she decides not to take a nap. And I just lost it because I am so incredibly exhausted just with being so pregnant and with having such an active toddler. She's seriously non-stop and it's hard physically and it's hard mentally, and we're just stuck in this tiny little apartment. It's a beautiful apartment, but it's just not family friendly with small kids, because she can't just go outside. When I bring her out to the balcony, you know, like she wants to play with water in her tea set, and I can't just let her do that because there's people under us. And so right now she's inside watching TV, and I hate that too. I want her to live her life and live her childhood and be active and have a good time, but gosh, I'm just really feeling it. And when Emmy decided not to take a nap today, like, plus we're just recovering still from vacation. My house is trashed. It's super tiny. I don't have a lot of space for our stuff, and so when our stuff is not organized or where it's supposed to be, it just makes the apartment look trashed, and that really stresses me out. So I wanted to come on here, and I don't mean to be a downer. I just wanted you guys to know that, like, it's not all rainbows and sunshine. Yeah, we had a great time at the beach today, but it honestly kicked my butt, and now my butt's getting kicked over and over again while I'm already down just with everything. So think of us, but also if you guys are having a hard day, just know that you are not alone, and that not everybody has it together like they might have other people believe. So that's just where I'm at right now. I'm gonna go find Emmy and see what she's up to. There you go. Can you fold your hands? Thank you, Jesus, for our food.
Amen.
Amen. What are you having for dinner, baby? What is that?
Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese and peas. This is what Emerson is having for dinner. And let me show you what I'm having for dinner. Surprise, I'm having mac and cheese too. Yeah, so I'm having mac and cheese as well. I'm just not feeling like cooking anything other than this, and it actually sounds really good to me. So this is the one that I cooked, and that's what I'm gonna eat. Can't even look at myself right now. I gotta get some lipstick on. If how I look is any indication of how today has gone, we ended up going to the park, just me and Emerson, to burn some energy. And burn some energy she did, but she still has it. You're really cute, baby. You're cute.
It's a friend.
They're friends, yeah. Then we came home, fed her mac and cheese, put her in the bath, and here we are. And it is still kind of early, but I think we're gonna just have an early night. She needs it since she didn't nap, and I need it so bad. So here is to another day, starting out tomorrow, fresh, and we're just gonna make the most of it. Today is done and over with. It was what it was. But tomorrow is gonna be a better day. I'm predicting it. I am beat pregnancy-wise. My body is so tired. I just feel like there's no more room for him in my body, and picking her up is really, really hard. So usually I have Andrew do it, but obviously when he's not here. And then today she's just been extra sassy and pitching fits, and I still have to pick her up and make her mind, and that has taken a toll on my body. So I guess the biggest update pregnancy wise is I'm just done. I'm feeling tired, my body's tired, and I'm ready to meet this baby boy. But I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. You wanna say bye?
Bye.
You wanna blow him a kiss?